searching through my old mementos on this quiet Sunday night, as the radio plays softly in the gentle evening light. When my heart skips at a treasure that brings tears right to my eyes, in a box beneath the blankets where a faded letter lies, the music plays so tender, like my heart begins to fall. That perfect day in the garden, when you sang so pure and free, words floating soft as petals in a song just meant for me. The sunlight blessed that moment as we swayed beneath blue sky. Now this picture seems to taunt me, while these memories make me sigh. The music weeps so gently, like rain upon the ground. Each sound drifts through evening, paints memories of your face. Every note, every measure holds a sweet embrace of moments we once treasured in that tune we knew by heart. Now I sit here in the quiet as the melodies depart. Perhaps one day this old music won't cut deep into my core. And I'll store these recollections, so now I'll shut the window, let the breeze take every note, 'cause some songs can't keep their meaning when the love has slipped away. The music marks our parting like a bittersweet goodbye.